In this video, we are looking at these problems on page 3 of the chapter 5, section 1 slides. Our first problem, a bank pays simple interest at the rate of 8% per year for certain deposits. If a customer deposits $1,000 and makes no withdrawals for 3 years, what is the total amount on deposit at the end of 3 years, and what is the interest earned in that period of time? So, using our formula that says that I is equal to PRT, that is, the interest is equal to the, sorry, we're actually looking at the accumulated amount first. So that's going to be A equals P times 1 plus RT. And here we are given P equals 1,000. R is 8%, which is 0.08. And T is 3 years. We just plug this information in and we get A equals 1,000 times 1 plus 0.08 times 3, or 1,000 times 1.24, and we do that multiplication and get a total of $1,240. If we want to find the interest earned in that period, there are two ways of going about that. We can use the formula I equals PRT, which is just 1,000 times 0.24, or 0.08 times 3, and that's $240. Or we could just subtract her initial amount from our accumulated amount to get $240. Either way will work. In our second problem, we're told that an amount of $2,000 is invested in a 10-year trust fund that pays 6% annual simple interest, and we're asked what is the total amount of the trust fund at the end of 10 years. Well, here we have our principal is $2,000, our rate is 6% or 0.06, and our time is 10. And we're looking for the accumulated amount here, the total amount in the trust fund at the end of 10 years. So that gives us A equals P times 1 plus RT equals 2,000 times 1 plus 0.06 times 10, which is 2,000 times 1.60. Well, 0.60 times 2,000 is 1,200. So that gives us $3,200 in there at the end of 10 years. The last of these three problems says, suppose that Jane buys a 26-week T-bill with a maturity value of $10,000. If she pays $9,850 for the T-bill, what will be the rate of return on her investment? Well, here we are given our principal is $9,850. Our time is 26 weeks over 52 weeks for a full year. So that's 1/2. And we don't have the rate, that's what we're looking for, but we are given the total amount. The total amount is $10,000. So we plug this back into our accumulated amount equation. 10,000 equals 9,850 times 1 plus r times 1/2, or 1 plus 1/2 r. We can divide both sides by 9,850. And subtract 1, multiply the whole thing by 2, and that will give us r. And that is going to be approximately 0.0305, or a little better than, it's about 3.05%. All right, that's it for these problems. If you have any questions, get in touch.